How to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. This tutorial shows you two methods, whether you want to disable it temporarily or turn it off more permanently. First, open the search bar on your computer. From there, type Windows Security and open it. After that, click Virus and Threat Protection. At this point, click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Following this, toggle off Real-Time Protection. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation, since this is treated as a security change. From here, click Yes to confirm. Keep in mind this method only disables it temporarily, since Windows automatically turns real-time protection back on after a restart or after some time passes. If you want a more permanent way to disable it, there's a second method using Group Policy Editor. At this stage, open the search bar again. Following this, type gpedit.msc and open it. From here, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then Microsoft Defender Antivirus. At this stage, double-click Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Following this, select Enable.
From here, click Apply, then click OK. Once applied, Windows Defender stays disabled even after a restart, since this setting overrides the automatic re-enabling behavior. That's how you turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!